lines, and this is just a simple thing. I finally had to Google it because it was driving me nuts. I typically I have Explorer open and I have a file path and I have a little hotkey that'll grab the path of the file. And then let's say I'm in Word, I want to open that file. I'll hit, either come up to File Open or hit my Open button. In Word, there's nowhere is that browser, right? The window that I want to get to. So then I have to hit Computer, and then I got to hit Browse. And from here, I can then paste in, and it would pop open this file. I'm not going to do it; it doesn't matter. But the objective is to get to this window, and it was just really annoying that I have to go through all these clicks every time. So what I found was if you come in here under File and go to Options, and then to Save, you can clear out. You can say don't show the backstage when opening saving a file. What? All right, what the hell? What is that? I don't know. And I'm gonna set it to save to my computer by default. But this is the one that really makes that difference. Also, I dial down my autosave. But anyway, okay. Now when I hit open, it opens that immediately, which is, like I said, 90% of the time. That's what I want, right? Is just I have the path of the file. That's what I want to go to. File. I think if I come in here, I can still see the history of these things, which is also, again, what I want. It doesn't default to that anymore, so now it's working that I want. Same thing goes for Excel, and probably any other. I didn't try PowerPoint, but I suppose we could do that. Is you would come in here. Yeah, I just that's the other one. I know you can change it to start with the default template of a blank thing. I should go do that too because it's so annoying. So we'll come up here to save. Don't show. So it looks like actually this is interesting. So it applied it here, but maybe I had already done that. Let me see if let me open up PowerPoint and see if it defaults in PowerPoint as well. Of course, PowerPoint opened on the other page. And I'm going to say File, Options. This one I have not looked at. So Save. Don't show. So okay, so it goes across all the Office programs. So you just have to set it once, and then these are the same settings across apparently every Office program you have, which is weird. Like why? So why isn't this the same across? Whatever. Anyway, thanks a lot, Microsoft.